Hey guys, welcome to our channel with another video from our Indonesia series. In this video, we will take you to the complete walkthrough of Alas Harum, located in Ubud, not far from most of the major destinations in Bali. The famous attractions at Alas Harum are Bali Swings, Sky Bike, Dancing Bridge, Camera 360, Flying Fox Zipline, Alas Topeng Gorilla Face Cave, and Cretya Pool Club. It also showcases the coffee Luwak processing where you can see how this coffee is made. The majestic statue of Luwak is believed to be the biggest statue of this civet cat in the world. You could probably spend half a day at Alas Harum if you want to try all the attractions. There is an entrance fee of 50,000 IDR to enter Alas Harum. You can get the ticket directly from the walk-in purchase counter. They also have a separate counter for the guests with advance reservation. You may have to pay additional fees to use some of their facilities, and if you want to try the expensive coffee after witnessing the coffee Luwak processing, this popular, beautiful hillside paradise is littered with Instagram-able photo spots, and adventure seekers will enjoy fun day activities when they visit. There are several swings at the Alas Harum grounds, and you can take a ride on each of them if you want. Cost of single swing starts at 231,000 IDR per person. The couple swings and party swings cost even more. This is an interesting viewing platform which has glass flooring that allows for 360-degree shots. It cost 173,000 IDR to use it for 2 minutes. That is quite expensive for just a glass floor. There is a 300-meter zipline too, which is meant to deliver unforgettable lasting memories because of the adventurous zipping down a line through the trees of the jungle. Cost for one ride is 375,000 IDR per person. You can cycle over this bamboo-woven crafted bridge in the air, 30 meters in length and 15 meters above the ground. Cost of single trip on the Sky Bike is 325,000 IDR per couple. The dancing bridge is designed to move and sway as you traverse the bridge from one side to the other. The dancing bridge is completely safe. However, those with vertigo may find it overwhelming. The Alas Topeng Gorilla Face Cave is very impressive, but you'll need to pay 231,000 IDR if you want it to be featured on your Instagram feed. Cretya Ubud is a luxury, fun restaurant and day club where you can enjoy the breathtaking view of Rice Terrace, 3-layered azure blue pools, and daily DJ performance. It opens daily from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. It is a peaceful nature escape from the hustle-bustle of the city to escalate your taste buds with their mouth-watering cuisine. Coffee Luwak is a specialty coffee that is digested by, fermented within, and then excreted by an Asian civet, which is called Luwak, the mongoose. Luwak coffee is frequently called as the rarest and most expensive gourmet coffee in the world. Luwak is a selective animal that chooses the best coffee cherries from their smell. Coffee cherries are then swallowed without chewing, and it will take 6 to 10 hours to digest. Once it excretes out the coffee beans, then it is dried in the sun for at least 5 days. Then it is washed, dries, and the 2 layers of coffee is peeled off. Then it is roasted in a traditional way to around 45 minutes and powdered further.